This is the mascot for the Jollibee fast food chain, and I've transformed it into a phone stand. I use Blender to make the model. I'm not particularly proficient in Blender, I'm learning all the time, so I haven't gone through all the steps. I've loaded this into Creality print, and I'm using a lightning infill and tree supports on it. I'm printing this on a Creality K1 Max, and I'm just using a simple yellow filament, which is a matte filament. This is a finished model. I was quite pleased with how it turned out, and the supports came off fairly easily. And this is the model after I finished painting it. I used just acrylic paints, and I used a clear coat sealer, slight spray over the top. I'm releasing the model free, so it'll be uploaded in all the normal places, and I'll put a link in the comments. I hope some of you find it interesting enough to print it out and useful enough to use. That's about it for the video. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, it's always most appreciated, and thank you for watching. I'll just finish the video with a few pictures of the phone stand.